How to save an Excel workbook. First of all, we'll discuss why we need to save an Excel workbook. Saving a document or Excel file allows you to preserve any additions or modifications you have made to the file. It ensures that your work is saved and accessed later when required. By saving your work regularly, you protect it from potential data loss from system crashes or unexpected power outages. Saving the Excel file frequently reduces the risk of losing the data. When you save a file, you can distribute it to others via email or file sharing platforms. Saving your work is essential to protect your data and ensure you can access it later. In this video, we'll walk through the steps involved in saving an Excel workbook. Use Save As option from the File menu. Open your Excel workbook and make sure you have made all the necessary changes or updates. Now click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the Excel window. In the File menu, select the Save As option. Now choose the location on your computer where you want to save the Excel workbook. Enter a name for your workbook in the File Name field. Select the desired file format for your workbook. Excel workbooks are typically saved in .xlsx format. Click on the Save button to save your workbook. Now your Excel workbook is saved in the specified location with the given name and file format. If you are saving a workbook for the first time or want a duplicate copy in the same or another location, you can use the Save As option. Alternatively, you can save the existing file in its current location using a keyboard shortcut. Let's see how to do that. To save the file using the keyboard shortcut, simply press Ctrl S. By using this shortcut, Excel will automatically save the file in its current location, overwriting any previous version with the new changes. In some cases, Excel may prompt you to save your workbook if there are unsaved changes when you are trying to close. Let's see how to save the workbook when Excel prompts. When Excel detects unsaved changes in your workbook, a prompt will appear asking if you want to save your changes. You see a dialog box with options Save, Don't Save and Cancel. If you want to save the changes, click on the Save button. Excel will save the workbook in its current location, preserving your changes. If you don't want to save the changes, click on the Don't Save button. Excel will discard the changes and close the workbook without saving. If you want to cancel the operation and return to the workbook without saving or closing, click on Cancel. This will dismiss the dialog box and allow you to continue your work. Remember to carefully review the changes before making a decision to save or discard them. Saving your work regularly is important to avoid losing any important modification. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.